Good evening, everyone. I am Sangeetha B from the Department of CSE IoT working in SNS College of Engineering. In last video, we have discussed about the embedded stage development process and we have discussed the various stage. On this video, we are going to discuss balance stages which are used in the development process. In previous video, we have discussed about the idea, tech specification, the architecture, design implementation, and the test plan. In this video, we are going to see about the design implementation, POC prototype development, field trials, final product design tweaks, and the product launch. Um, Let's have a view on a design implementation, hardware, firmware, software, enclosure design. This is the core engineer stage of the implementation. Here the architecture is converted into design. For hardware, systematic capture, PCB layout will be done, MCU firmware, and if any software is required will be developed. Enclosure design works will also comes into the stage. A necessary review system need to be put in the place to ensure the first time right is developed. If an external consultant is required for this design review, one should not hesitate. Most of the time it's worth in the investment. Proof of concept, prototype development and the testing. If the design is completely new or if you don't have any confidence on the full design or a part of a design, it is good idea to build the prototype first to prove the design, and while doing so see if there is any issue. Sometimes buying readable available book level module, power supply, MCU, wireless module, etc., and connecting to the form of a system, writing a basic firmware testing, and it is simulated environment helps gain initial confidence on the design performance. This could This could save a huge amount of money, effort, and the time. Otherwise, might be get wasted if any respin of the design is required due to some issues. Basically, for example, if we see, if I am going to design a home automation project, first I need to design what. First, I have to decide what are all the components and what is the purpose of the components we are going to use. If I have any doubt of using the components in the using the components, then I should develop a prototype or a sample. I should check the sample so that I can save the amount, and we can reduce the cost, and the time is we can reduce the amount of time we spend on it. For that only we are saying that we should do the proof of concepting, prototype development, and the testing. Next one is the field trial. Till now we have developed a project, and we have tested in our company, but now we have to test that the product in the actually where we are going to use that product. If we do like that, then only we can identify the error causing, and the next one is the expectation of the customer, whether the requirement is meet up or not. In field trial, you might have heard engineering saying that their product works well in the lab but has an issue in the field. Field conditioning are different. Engineers need to think through what are all conditionings their product will go through in the field so that they can reproduce these conditions and check the performance of their product even before spending their product out in a field. Not only the field conditions, but user is also different. Engineers need to think of how a layman will handle their product in the field. Next one is final improvement, final product improvement. After field trials are done for several weeks and months, all improvements should be needed incorporated in the design based on the feedback. If during field trials some issues are found, you will need to also improve the test procedure you will follow during the design validation or production testing stage to ensure the flawless product coming out of the production. sometime if we are going for a field trial, we may, for example, if I am developing a billing session for a billing component for the factory, means the robot should work efficiently in building, sorry, in billing, so that the time of the customer should be saved. If I fail to do that, then the product is waste. So first we have to uh, test in the field. If the error is causing, then we should improve our testing method and the development method in our company. The next one is the product launch. Before launching the product, several other things need to be put in a place other than the product itself, like various product certification based on future it has and the country will be sold in, documentation, the product pages on the website, quick introduction video, datasheet, user guide, setting up the support channel. Thank you.